can customize the app further by adding videos, and the best videos will be some with yourself in. You can also have testimonial videos. To upload videos from your phone, you'll need a YouTube channel, and within YouTube there are lots of videos showing you how to do this. For free advice on your Mac, this guy's brilliant. Upload your video onto your YouTube channel. From the share button, copy the URL, sign into your app, and then into the area for expertise. And this is where you can edit, either add new ones or just simply add videos to the ones that exist already. You can use the same method just to copy and paste any marketing you wish to do. And finally, at the end, you must remember to press the submit button to save your changes.